In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to your Squarespace website. We're going to take a simple piece of text on your site and give it some motion using the built-in animation tools in Squarespace. This is a great way to draw attention to headlines, buttons, or key messages without writing any code. Start by opening the page in the Squarespace editor and locating the text you want to animate. Click the text directly on the page to select it. You should see edit controls appear, confirming that the element is active and ready for changes. Choosing the exact text block you want up front helps keep your edits focused and avoids accidentally adjusting the wrong element. Next, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the text settings so you can access more advanced options beyond basic formatting. Think of the pencil as your gateway to all the detailed controls for that specific block. Inside the editing panel, find and click on Animation. This section is where you'll control how the text moves, when it moves, and what style it uses. Opening it will reveal a set of tools designed to add motion in a way that still fits your site's design. Now click on Triggers. Triggers determine exactly when the animation should start. To add a new behavior, click the plus icon on Triggers. Adding a trigger lets you layer motion rules, so your text can react to different visitor actions or page events. Click the current trigger to open the menu of options. Here you can choose from on hover, on press, loop, on scroll, on appear, and follow. Each choice serves a different purpose. Hover and press, respond to interaction, loop repeats automatically, scroll and appear, connect motion to page position and loading, and follow tracks. Cursor movement for a dynamic feel. For this walkthrough, select loop, so the animation continues on its own and keeps the element subtly in motion. With the trigger set to loop, select the animation style itself. You can choose from spin, float, hop, look, roll, and breathe. Spin rotates the element for high energy. Float adds a gentle up and down drift. Hop gives a playful bounce. Look shifts attention as if glancing. Roll moves the element in a circular path, and breathe expands and contracts softly. Pick the style that matches your brand's tone. Subtle effects like float or breathe often work well for text because they're noticeable without being distracting. That's it. You click the text, opened editing with the pencil, chose animation, set up triggers with the plus icon, selected loop, and applied an animation style. You can always come back to adjust the trigger or try a different motion until it feels just right for your page.